On February 13, 2017, teenagers Abby Williams, 13, and Libby German, 14, were dropped off near the Monon High Bridge Trail in Delphi, Indiana, for an afternoon hike. This seemingly ordinary outing would tragically mark their last known moments. The two friends had planned to enjoy the unseasonably warm winter day, a simple pleasure that quickly turned into a desperate search. When they failed to appear at their designated pickup location, concerned family members initiated a frantic search. As night fell, the Indiana State Police were alerted, launching a full-scale missing persons investigation in the quiet, rural community, transforming a peaceful afternoon into a chilling mystery. The search intensified overnight, involving multiple agencies and local volunteers, but yielded no immediate results. The following day, February 14, 2017, the worst fears of the community were realized. According to reports from the Indiana State Police, the bodies of Abby Williams and Libby German were discovered by a volunteer searcher near Deer Creek, not far from the Monon High Bridge Trail. This tragic discovery irrevocably altered the nature of the investigation, shifting it from a missing persons case to a double homicide. Autopsies later confirmed the girls had suffered blunt force trauma and wounds from a sharp object, as detailed in court documents. The serene Indiana landscape was now the scene of a brutal crime. In a remarkable and haunting turn, investigators revealed that Libby German had used her cell phone to record crucial evidence just before her death. This evidence included both audio and a brief video clip of a man believed to be their suspected killer, now widely referred to as Bridge Guy. According to law enforcement statements, the audio captured a male voice saying "down the hill." This fragment, along with the grainy video footage showing a man walking on the Monon High Bridge, became central to the investigation. These recordings were unprecedented in their directness, offering a chilling glimpse into the final moments of the girls' lives and providing investigators with immediate, tangible leads, yet the case remained unsolved for years. Following the release of Libby's recording, law enforcement issued several public appeals for information. Initial composite sketches of the suspect, based on witness accounts, depicted a younger man. However, as the investigation progressed, a subsequent sketch was released, portraying an older individual. This change fueled public speculation and raised questions about the accuracy of initial leads, as noted by news reports and public statements from Indiana State Police. Despite the critical audio and video evidence, identifying the Bridge Guy proved incredibly difficult. For years, the case baffled investigators and gripped the nation, with countless tips pouring in but no definitive breakthrough. The evolving descriptions highlighted the complexities of eyewitness testimony and the challenges of a high-profile investigation. More than 5.5 years after the murders, a significant development emerged. On October 26, 2022, Richard Allen, a local Delphi resident, was arrested in connection with the Delphi murders. He was subsequently charged with 2 counts of murder. This arrest brought a cautious sense of hope to a community long burdened by the unsolved crime. Allen had previously been interviewed by investigators in 2017, as confirmed by court records, but was not initially considered a primary suspect. The specific evidence that led to his arrest was initially sealed, leading to intense public and media speculation. His plea of not guilty set the stage for a long and complex legal battle. In December 2023, after significant legal challenges and a judicial order from Special Judge Francis Gull, the probable cause affidavit in Richard Allen's case was unsealed. This document, central to the prosecution's argument, presented a startling claim: Allen had confessed to killing Abby and Libby. According to the affidavit, Allen made these confessions to his wife and mother during separate phone calls from prison. Furthermore, the document alleges he repeated these confessions multiple times. This development, previously withheld from the public, painted a dramatic new picture of the evidence against him and became a focal point for both prosecution and defense. Richard Allen's defense team, attorneys Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rossi, has vehemently challenged the validity of these alleged confessions. They contend that Allen suffers from mental health issues and that his statements made from prison are unreliable and influenced by his diminished mental state, as presented in their court filings. The defense further alleged prosecutorial misconduct and argued for Allen's release, leading to a complex legal standoff. While Judge Gull temporarily removed and then reinstated the defense team, the core of their argument remains: the reliability of Allen's confessions is questionable. This legal maneuvering underscores the intense battle over due process and evidence admissibility. As of early 2024, Richard Allen has pleaded not guilty to the charges. The complex legal proceedings have been marked by numerous motions, hearings, and a constant battle between prosecution and defense. A trial date has been scheduled for May 2024, promising to bring the years-long saga into open court. The community of Delphi, along with a national audience, continues to watch closely, hoping that the judicial process will finally deliver a definitive resolution for Abby Williams and Libby German. The journey to justice has been protracted, but the scheduled trial represents a critical step towards understanding the full truth behind the Delphi murders.